Namaste children. Today I am going to start the fourth part of the chapter India's foreign policy. In this part we will discuss about the India-US relation from independence to till present. Okay. So if we will talk about the period of Cold War era, as you all know the period of Cold War era was the 1945 to 1991. So during Cold War era, first we will talk about the during Cold War era US-India relation. So that time during Cold War, India-US relation could not be cultivated good. Okay. So here we see their relation was not good. So there are many factors, many reasons were there. India-US relations were not good at that time. So first we will discuss about the US-India relation. What were the reasons India-US relations was not good at that time during the Cold War era? So first reason is India's leading NAM, non-alignment movement. Because India don't want to join any super bloc. As you all know, name of the super blocs, capitalist bloc and the socialist bloc. So this was the first reason US was not happy with India's decision. Okay. And second, if we will talk about the side of the India side, India was also not happy with the actions of the USA. What was the reason? So here we see in 1954, United States of America made Pakistan Central Treaty Organization. In short form, you can say CENTO Treaty LA. This was the reason because Pakistan, India's dispute is with Pakistan after partition on border issue. Fine. So India don't like this type of agreement with US and Pakistan. And next point we can say in 1961, India became a founding member of NAM. As I told you, India leading the non-alignment movement and India became the founder member of the NAM, and India tried to more close on with Asian African countries. Fine. And India also helped the Asian African countries for their independence movement. Okay. And India cultivate strategic and military relations with Soviet Union. This is also one important factor. Actually, you all know during the Cold War era, the main competition was only two superpowers, USA and USSR. So here we see one side to India decide to adopt the NAM policy, and in other side, if we will see, India work closer with Soviet Union. Fine. And India cultivates strategic and military relation with USSR. So that's why US was not happy with India. India also 20 years friendship treaty with USSR was the reason, and why India decide to friendship treaty with USSR. The main reason was to counter Pakistan United States relations. Is it clear, guys? So this is also a reason between no good relation between the India and USA. Now we see there were dramatically many changes were occurred after 1991 between the US or India relations. The first reason was how or when, why that relation between India and US changed. The first reason was 1991 disintegration of the USSR and the end of the Cold War. And second reason was the liberalization. India adopted the policy of liberalization for the economic development and overall development of the country. So we see change in the US-India relation, and United States of America moved closer to the India. Fine, girls. Now these all points were related to the US-India relation during Cold War period mean 1945 to 1991. Now I am going to explain you about the relations between India and US in the post-Cold War era. Fine. Post-Cold War means after 1991. So if we will see the first point, so we can say India-US bilateral relations have developed into a global strategic partnership with the signing of comprehensive global strategic partnership. This is the main reason. And many other agreements signed by the India and US. Global strategic partnership is a one reason. And agreement, this agreement was during the visit of President Donald Trump, US President name is Donald Trump. He came to India in February 2020 and this agreement was signed between two countries. And both have instituted structured dialogues covering East Asia on their matters, on the issues of East Asia, Central Asia, West Asia, Africa and Indian Ocean region also. So they close to each other, both countries close to each other. And in 2005, President Obama was a chief guest for the Republic Day parade. This is also indicate the good relation between the US-India relations. And in February 2020, Donald Trump, 2025, he came to India and India-US relation become more strong. Now we see India is earning lot in trade also with US. This is also a reason. Our trade relation with US are also strong. And bilateral civil nuclear cooperation agreement was signed in October 2008. This is related to military. Mean trade agreements with India and US and related to nuclear cooperation also. And this agreement was signed in October 2008. Remember that these all points are important, not given in your textbook, so you should note down all these points in your fair notebook. I will also send you notes of same topic. And United States extended support for India's entry into NSG. Earlier, always US opposed for this, but now USA support for India's entry into NSG. NSG means Nuclear Supplier Group. Is it clear? Now next point, we will see the relation, good relation between US and India. So we can say defense relationship has become a major pillar in India-US strategic partnership. Fine. This is also an important point. In defense, you can say our agreement, or you can say the relation on the matters of trade, defense, joint military exercises, cooperation on maritime security, etc. These all factors also increase the good relation between the India and US. Next we can say many agreements signed for cooperation in energy, education, space, science and technology. Is it clear, girls? The community comprises is also a main factor for the good relation between both the countries. A large number of professionals, business entrepreneurs and educationalists with increasing influence in the country. So these all were the main points between the India-US relation. But not we can say not only India's relation is good, always good with US. There are many areas of tensions, or you can say India-US relations major irritants. So I will continue this now, the topic India-US relations and major irritants. Now students, the next topic is areas of tension between both the countries India and US. So first we will see the area of tension between two countries is CASTA. Full form is Counter America's Adversaries Through Sanction Act. This act was passed by America to counter Russia, Iran and North Korea. So we see any trade with these countries would invite sanction from United States of America. This is the main reason of dispute between the India and United States. Second is trade deficit. So here we see United States of America call India king of tariff. Actually US increased tariff on the import of iron. Fine. So India also increased the tariff of 29 items of US which comes in India. This is also the second point of the dispute or conflict between the two countries. Afghan policy of US. This is also a dispute area or dispute issue between the India and US. US has dealt with Taliban and legitimized the Taliban in Afghanistan. So this is the reason here where US support the legitimize and support the Taliban, whereas India's views is the government in Afghanistan should be made by the local people of the Afghans. So here we see the third dispute between the two countries. So here these are the main disputed issues or disputed areas you can see between the US-India's approach to each other. This is all about the third part of the US-India relation. In the next part, I will explain you about the India-Russia relations. Thank you.